The storm, which occurred on Thursday, left many infrastructures across the city destroyed. In some of the areas visited by our news crew, there were visible signs of destruction at Apapava Road by Ibesawa Junction. The traffic light stand laid bare on the ground as it was brought down by the storm. At Siloko Road by Mobi Filling Station, there was heavy destruction of electrical poles and billboard which affected other facilities in the environment. The billboard was said to have trapped a vehicle, leaving the driver with severe injury. The residents of the area went further to narrate the occurrence of the incident and called on the relevant authorities to swing into action.
It was shaking heavily. I went out to look, I saw that post, so I went to meet that girl. I was selling that period, I was selling that gold. I said that this pole before, I should not have that place. So I assisted her, I told her she should come out and so after like 5 minutes, I came out after I made the glass. It was fully heavy. I just see that this pole, the three pole has fallen down. Then I even saw the billboard shaking heavily. Before you know it, people are falling. And the rain was falling, nobody was outside there. I came out to look, I saw something like a car. It was a red car under there. So I saw two boys there. Those two boys are not wearing, they are not with any shirt. So those two boys were saying somebody is inside there, this one. And I said they were trying to rescue the man. But thank God, after everything, the man came out alive. Just that he has an written injury on his finger with 2 fingers. So what happened there was that God just saved that man's life that day. I haven't rushed to open video the man that day to see what happened to the man. Everybody was just rejoicing that the man was alive. So it was the handwork of God. And thank God no life was lost.
What are you calling on the government to do now? Because I assume that or do you have light now?
Yes, we have lights.
Okay, the fall of the pole did not affect you?
It did not affect our line. It's another line, but they just fixed the pole newly. I was here when they fixed that pole. That was last year.
Thank you very much.
Now that way of Thursday evening when it fall, now he make this thing. It's called the make kaka. Then instead when it go like this, or to fall put on top of us, now it go like this. Now he break all these posts now when it break. He get one remote when the thing fall put. As he fall put, now people when he dey like this, they can't go rescue the man out. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. No, the man not getting injury. Now only the hand like this. Then the man can say in a pastor too. Now say, we thank God. Not be so this road be before. During the Shomo time, I'm in one. This road like this, it go like this. This one, it go like this. This one, it can't go like this, but you can't put this one for here. This is like where they put, not the work. Before this thing happen, not the work. I beg government to make one rescue me for this house. Because accident, they happen here every time. Because they say no road see, I don't know how. Now he make, and since he did there, motor when he jump for the first one, he jump for the second one, he go hard before he go say one ton on this side. The joy when he did now be say no loss of soul.
Fell down. I think the billboard fell for some time. And the miracle that happened was that man, when I came, I saw that there was a divine hand on that man. But the man came out. There are so many reasons why the man should have died. But one, apart from that high tower, the wire, the high tension was very good. It was the high tension. And if there was the light, that should have ignited that vehicle. And the man should have been electrocuted, dried down. So I saw that it was and I saw an angel came to rescue that man. You know. So I saw the wonders of God. And that pole is of Vaseki's pole. Because that high tension was of Vaseki's lights. That light always have lights. There's always light on that tension. I don't know what happened that day that there was no light. So when you come, I saw it, you see the wire on top of the vehicle that would have been electrocuted, and the battery, I was seeing the battery light was on. So there would have been fire ignition on that vehicle that day. But the man came out. I wasn't there when the man came out. When people say the man came out, you know they have a little splash with his hand. Came and was waving and I said, no, just coming from church. That is just to send a message to people to know that they are God and for us to serve God. And that's it. When you go through disappointment, when that for maybe that man that day, that was coming from church somewhere, he wanted to help some persons and the people were angry that he don't help them. If he has helped some persons, some people have died.
The story went bitter at Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, where one person was feared dead after a telecommunication mast collapsed on him. Meanwhile, as at press time, technical personnel were seen evacuating the collapsed mast from the stadium. One Ijoma report.